The process begins with the paper web feeding into the presses, where the intricate design of the 100-rupee note is rapidly printed, followed by automated stacking.
Every note begins meticulous design, cut to precision and utmost security, sealed and ecology, fueling the nation's ecology. From design to approval, we alloy and melt the metal. Casting and rolling create strips. Annealing and pickling clean them. We blank and rim the edges. Upsetting and die making prepare the strike.